Today, I'm going to talk to you about the 3 types of visas that allow you to work for your company in the US so you can achieve maximum success in the US and experience freedom. Don't breach immigration laws that prejudice your status. Starting and working for your business can cause problems with your visa status and application. These problems can be consequential and harmful to your immigration status. Depending on how involved you are, will determine whether or not you need authorization. I'm Andrew from the Mulai Law Firm, where we help entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses without dealing with complicated legal forms. Our done-for-you service is backed by over 1,915 5-star Google reviews, and we can help you start your business as well. I am currently waiting for the results of my bar examination, and now I'm helping entrepreneurs like you start your businesses. Today, I want to talk about 3 things that you want to be mindful of as a non-US resident operating a business here in the States. The first point I want to talk about is if you decide to create a business entity here in the States, the mere formation of an LLC does not require you to have authorization. In other words, you don't need a work authorization to start your business. The second thing you're going to want to be mindful of is that you may own a business without having authorization. This basically means that you can be a passive investor. You can sit on the sidelines while a third party manages and operates your business. If you're going to be a mere owner of a business, you don't need a work authorization. The third thing I want to talk about is where things begin to get a little tricky, but I'm going to make sure to break it down so that you can understand. When it comes to starting a business, when it comes to owning a business, you don't need an authorization. Those are points 1 and points 2. The third point I am now talking about is if you decide to start a business in the US and you decide that you want to operate and manage that business. Operating a business means that you are responsible for the staff. You are responsible for hiring, for firing, for doing the tasks the business needs in order to operate on a daily basis. If you are a non-US resident, if you live overseas, you need to have a work authorization for your business if you want to operate and manage that business here in the US. There are 3 work visas that will allow you to operate and manage your business. The first work visa is called the E2 visa. The E2 visa will give you the ability to manage and operate your business here in the US. You can either invest in a US business or purchase an existing business. An E2 visa will allow you to hire employees, fire employees. An E2 visa will allow you to take care of daily operations. The second work visa that will allow you to manage and operate your business here in the US is called the L1 visa. The L1 visa is simple. The business that you have overseas will send a foreign employee to the business that you start and establish in the US. However, it can't just be any ordinary employee. Additionally, the business that you start in the US must be related to the business that you have overseas. The third work visa that authorizes you to operate and manage your US business is called the Eb5 Work Visa. The Eb5 Work Visa has strict requirements. The Eb5 requires that you invest a certain amount into a US business. Now, this amount cannot just be any amount. You must either invest $900,000 or you must invest $1.8 million and create 10 US jobs. Whether you need an E2 visa, an L1 visa, or an Eb5 visa depends on your personal situation. It is important that you receive the expert guidance that you need to choose the correct visa in order to operate and manage your US business. Failure to receive that guidance in deciding which work visa is best for you will be detrimental to your immigration status. That is why it is important that you receive the guidance that you need in order to ensure that your immigration status is not harmed. Click the link in the description below for your free consultation. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button so you don't miss any more videos. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise.